Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
What's good? What's popping, y'all? Peace, 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 family. Peace, peace, love, light and healing. Peace to the gods, peace to the earth, peace and love to everybody out there. Back at it with another video today. If you with me today, make sure you tap into my live today from 4 to 6. Do another live, do some videos, chill, talk, laugh, do what we do. Before we jump into this video, remember, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know Roman's in the house, in your mouth. Joe Jerome, I'm in the house and I'm in your mouth like, oh, oh. I say, oh, oh, oh. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep your vibes high. All right. The title of this video is Cocky Teen Tries to Outsmart Cop, Fails Miserably. All right. So let's go ahead and.
While an officer investigates a black Honda Civic he suspects is stolen, an unwanted guest inserts himself in the officer's business.
Is there a reason why you're coming over here?
No, I'm just admiring it. It's a nice car. See the wheels? Real nice. Just admiring it.
And you can keep on going then.
Hey, it's not illegal to be in a public space.
You can go ahead and start me a tow, please. I'm at Target for a black Honda Civic.
Look how nice and shiny this dude's wheels are. This thing looks slow, man. You waiting for something?
I'm towing the car.
Why?
Because it's got no plates and the VIN's covered. Not yours, huh? No idea.
Look at me like I'm doing something wrong.
You're chilling in a public spot, man. You can do whatever you want.
I know.
Cool.
Hey, he an arrogant ass smart aleck type of person. You mean like you got that doofy face like, yeah, well, it's a public place. I can do what I like, sir. I just am admiring the car. Like, get out of here. That's what I was like. Get your little pin face ass out of here, man. I'm doing my job. Is either that or you gonna go to you and the car gonna get arrested. How about that?
Man, this cop's trying to tow this random dude's car. What a shame.
Yep, what a shame.
It's gonna be real expensive for that guy.
Yeah, I guess so.
You wanna get your f***ing nasty ass shoe off that rim?
Is this your car, man?
No, I got it.
Because we can solve this real quick just by you opening the car, removing the VIN. But you shoved the paper in the VIN. I can't read the VIN. It's got no plates, so I'm assuming it's stolen. So per RCW, I gotta seize it, get a search warrant, remove that, and read the VIN.
Hear me out. Is there a black two-door Honda Civic with white wheels and a aftermarket wing reported as stolen?
There's 1,000 stolen cars a month in Pierce County, bud.
The answer
and this is the most common stolen vehicle.
They in Washington? They didn't say it earlier, but Pierce County, I know Pierce County, that's Tacoma. They might be in Tacoma. I'm looking at the trees, damn it. They might be in Washington, y'all.
Vehicle in Pierce County.
Answer is, why don't you just uncover it yourself?
I can't. It's inside the car.
What a shame.
What a shame.
What a shame.
So if this is your car, we can go ahead and solve this crisis, but if you're not going to claim ownership of this, then just...
Why would I claim ownership of a car that's got a cop that's 100% going to hand out tickets?
Right. That being said, it's going to come to the Gay Car Police Department. We're going to go ahead and seize it on a search warrant.
Seize it on a search warrant for what? What are you searching it for?
To uncover the VIN.
For what? Do you have any suspicion of it being stolen other than no plates and a covered VIN?
Absolutely.
What's your suspicion of it being stolen, officer?
Hey man, is this your car or what? Dude, you're making this so much harder than it needs to be.
You're f***ing towing it for no reason. You got your nasty ass shoe on the f***ing wheel.
Yeah?
Get your f***ing shoe off the wheel.
Is this your car?
You're being disrespectful to whoever's f***ing car it is.
Okay, you need to back off my face. Go over there.
I'm not in your face. You just stuck your f***ing hand in my face.
Bud.
Bud,
chill.
Get your f***ing... Why is your foot on the wheel? Why are you doing that? You're literally doing that to piss me off for no f***ing reason.
Because it's your car?
Because it's his car.
Doesn't matter.
Is this your car or what?
You're going to scratch those f***ing wheels and have to pay for them.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead and walk over
I don't know what policy is. Your department's probably going to have to f***ing pay for these $1,000 wheels.
Yeah, go ahead and walk over there, bud.
Keep your f***ing hand out of my face.
Walk over there.
Keep your f***ing hand out of my face.
Walk.
Ooh.
Walk.
Get out of my face.
You're walking in my face.
Go before you
don't f***ing touch me.
Go.
I'm not doing shit.
Off my scene. Get away from my car. Go.
This ain't your car.
Go.
Your car's back there.
I'm getting you for a search warrant. Start moving.
You are approaching me. You are getting in my face.
Move back.
Get your hand off me.
Hey, dude.
Arrest me or don't. Keep your mother hands off me.
Stay off the car.
Keep your mother hands off me.
Stay off the car.
Off the car? You're the one that was on the car. I ain't touching it. I'm off the car.
Back up.
I'm f***ing back.
Okay. Back up.
Start recording this. Touch me again, motherfucker. Come push me.
Back up.
Come push me. You're pushing me for no goddamn reason. You're putting your hands in my face.
Yep.
I kept my phone back respectfully. I wasn't sticking it in your face. I got your name and that was it. What's your badge number?
117. So like I was saying, this car is coming to the Gig Harbor Police Department. If you're not going to claim ownership of it, what's going to happen is we're going to get a search warrant.
You're shoving me. Why would I want to fucking make it easy on you?
Okay. Anyways, we're going to get a search warrant to remove the cover from the VIN, and if it comes back stolen, we'll deal with it. If not, we'll come back to the last person who has ownership, give them the call to come pick it up. If that ain't you, you ain't getting the car back. All right?
Sick.
Cool.
So, I'm just going to repeat what you said real quick to make sure I understand.
Yeah.
Okay. You are going to get a search warrant,
Yep.
which means you call whoever you have to call, and then they say, yes, you can open the door, move the piece of paper, correct?
Correct.
Or do you have to tow it first?
You gotta tow it first. Per an RCW, sir.
So, I think I'm going to visit you down at the department, and I'm going to actually get a supervisor down here, since you were shoving me for no reason.
Yeah.
Prick,
Get
man.
your come on, call a supervisor.
Yeah. I could do that for you, but first I'm gonna need you to back away from the vehicle.
No, I'm going to need you to
prick.
call a supervisor.
Well, I ain't gonna help you out right
You
now.
are legally required to call your supervisor if requested.
Not correct.
Get your supervisor down here.
I will when you back up.
I have not committed any crime. I am back. You
Okay.
shoved me back. I am back.
So here's what's gonna happen. One, I'm not gonna do your request until I get a second unit down here because I'm guarding the door from you getting in it. That's why I'm pushing you back away from it,
Why the
because you
f-
keep
I
trying to
get
get near the door. Two,
I could
when
get
a
near
second
that door,
unit
I can
comes
get
here,
near the
I will
trunk,
call
I
you a
can get near whatever
supervisor.
the f-
But until I get a second unit down here, you're not getting a supervisor.
Are you serious?
I'm absolutely serious.
There's your second unit. Call a goddamn supervisor. Oh, what? You could stand
go ahead
still
and
and
put
call
the
a
car
supervisor,
against the front
but you
bumper.
can't do it because you're standing in front of a door.
Yeah.
Oh, all of you guys. You guys got nothing better to do than harass people for no goddamn reason.
Yeah.
Look at this dumbass. He doesn't even know how to park a car. Are you f***ing serious? Are you f***ing serious?
Anyways,
Bumped this shit.
he says it's not his car, but he's acting like it's his car.
This stupid motherfucker just ran into my car for no f***ing reason.
Oh, it
It
is
is
your
your
car.
car. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Hit my car.
All right, come here.
Are you f***ing serious?
Come here. So now it's your car, right?
Oh yeah.
You go to jail now,
Arrest me.
sir.
So it's a gross misdemeanor to cover up your VIN like that. Do you understand?
I literally just
All
got
right, so-
it back.
Okay, let's go ahead and see some ID now.
I don't have my wallet or
Okay,
anything.
what's your name?
For what? What crime have I
It is a
committed?
gross misdemeanor to cover up your VIN.
I'm not the one that covered it.
It's your car, right?
Car, right?
What's your name?
Cody,
Cody what? Cody, what's your birthday, Cody?
2005.
What's the rest of your birthday?
Oh, you What?
Cody.
In my car! What do you mean what?
Continue?
Continue what? I'm not committing a crime. Raising my voice is not committing a crime.
Cody, you're being detained. You're not free to leave. Hey, don't.
Good. Yeah, thanks for your service.
Hey, no problem. I'm a little busy right now, but I appreciate it.
Yeah, I imagine you're a Trump supporter.
No comment.
What? How do we go from a little prick, ain't a little asshole kid, mad because he don't want to uncover his VIN number, to some guy just being like, hey, are you a Trump supporter? That's Washington for you, man. That's and it's in Gig Harbor, so enough said. All right, Gig Harbor is a little uppity if y'all don't. People who's not from Washington, Gig Harbor is like a little uppity city. People got boats and big houses, and I think that the naval base is out there. So he's just an arrogant little asshole. That's all that is. And I feel like they did that on purpose. I feel like he bumped his car on purpose to get him to react and tell on himself that it is his car.
He wanted to
Drop
talk
in the
to you,
comments.
but I
Let me
think
know
he
what
got
you
that far.
Is that my ticket?
No, this is the law in which we are seizing your vehicle for. So you're not getting this back. We are seizing it. We are going to uncover the VIN with a search warrant. We'll give you a call back if
Go ahead.
need be, but you're free to go from here. If it comes back stolen, you've been contacted for stolen vehicle in the past, we know where to come find you. Yes, you have. I looked up the report.
No, the f I haven't. For what?
For black Honda Civic from
No.
Pierce County.
Okay, that I can actually. 1 second, I will call you right back. Check my center console. I give
I'm
full
not
consent.
going in there without a search warrant at this point.
There is a business card from an officer.
Yeah.
I got pulled over. The officer said it was coming up as stolen. By the way, did not hit my car when he did that. Okay.
Okay.
He said the car's coming up as stolen. This was right after I purchased it from an auction. They
Yeah.
called in. I don't know who they called. I'm not a cop. Okay. They called, got it cleared up. That was this car. It was previously stolen, got towed. The title got written over to the tow company, and then I purchased it from an auction. So no, I have not been contacted about a stolen car.
Listen, I'm just going this route, all right? That's the route we're going to go with. You could have cooperated about 20 minutes ago when you walked up.
Suck my.
All right.
It's stupid. If I car, now it's getting towed. Hey, who's towing it?
Town and country?
Oh, that's.
As the tow truck arrives, the suspect's stepfather arrives on scene, and he quickly becomes a suspect himself.
Okay, let go. Okay, we're towing the car. I need you to back off. Because the VIN's covered. Back
I'm
up.
on fucking.
Okay,
no,
that's
I'm
great.
on public
The tow
property.
truck is coming right here. I need you
Okay.
to move. Back up.
You don't need to touch me.
Get away.
Hey, he was
Go.
having the same issue touching me.
Go.
I'm asking a motherfucking
Move.
question,
The
okay?
tow truck is blocking. You're blocking the tow
Cool.
truck. Go.
Don't fucking touch me, dude.
Go. Go.
He's touched me fucking multiple times. Don't fucking touch me.
Get out. Okay, turn around. Put your arms right back.
Are you fucking serious?
See where he gets it from.
I'm
See where
trying
he
to
gets
figure
it
out
from.
what the purpose is for you guys
Nothing to do with
fucking
you're
going
under
my
arrest this
son.
time.
Oh shit. You're good, dude. Don't quit it.
Is he being arrested or detained?
Yes, he's being arrested. You got anything illegal on you?
Sorry, Dad.
Anything illegal on you? Any drugs, contraband, weapons?
Torch in my pocket.
Torch. So real quick, you're being audio and video recorded. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You understand all that?
Yes.
What's your name?
Justin.
Justin.
Yeah.
What's your relationship here?
It's my stepkid.
Stepkid.
Yes.
Okay, all this could have been simply avoided just by uncovering a VIN and explaining why the VIN's covered. Now we gotta seize it because we have to think it's stolen. The VIN's covered, it's got no plates. What I tried to explain, why
The
it getting
plate's not
towed.
still in it?
There's no plates on it.
In the trunk. There's not a plate in the trunk. No.
Okay?
Is
It's a Honda Civic.
registration?
Look at me, Justin.
I know. I work
It's
on
a Honda
being mechanic.
Civic, right? Most commonly stolen vehicle.
Yes,
Yes, see? Shake up and down. All this could have been avoided with just a little bit of cooperation. Now, when I tell you to get out of the way, the tow truck's coming because I got to seize this vehicle, you need to get out of the way. Not sit here and keep arguing with me, blocking the tow truck and blocking me from doing my job. That's why you're under
Answer my
arrest.
fucking question.
Why is the car getting towed?
Yeah.
Because the VIN is covered.
Okay. Well, that would have been. Was that really that hard to say?
Is that my job to explain to you? Why are you here?
Have fun explaining this to my sister. The fact that I'm not making my flight now.
Come on over here.
Bunch of unnecessary stuff, man.
I thought you looked familiar. You've been staying out of trouble for a while. 16, I got one customer. Is he gonna make it? Sitting there talking to the guy. Hey, man, this is your car.
Yeah.
Just uncover the VIN.
Yeah.
Hey,
That's
stay away from the
simple,
tow truck driver. Let him do his job.
That's simple.
It's funny how the moment someone with something to hide spots the badge, their tone changes faster than a green light. And the guilty rarely wait for questions. They create problems before the first ones even ask. A man's confidence turns defensive that fast. You don't need the world's greatest detective to see.
All right. Yeah, so that video's over with. Yeah, just an arrogant little a-hole, man. Even though it was his stepdaddy, he acted just like him, so he must have raised him or something. He actually kind of looked like him too. But it's not that hard, man. It's not that hard. That's arrogance. That's entitlement. That's used to either getting what you want or talking to people a certain way or just being a smart ass, and you got everything you deserve, bruh. This is what you get. You little pinhead, little arrogant a-hole, bruh. Like, it wasn't that hard. Yes, this is my car. I know it was report. How hard was it to say that? Okay, officer, I know what this is. I just dealt with it last week. I know it's reported stolen. It's not stolen. Tell them the whole situation. Take the thing off, show them the VIN, and go on about your business. It's either that, or you just got this whole deliberate thing where the car is stolen somehow. You don't know, or I don't know. We don't know. The car is stolen somehow, and you drive around in a stolen car. One of the two, dog. It's one of the two. From the way you acting, either the car is stolen and you've been going around with a stolen car, and whatever you're doing with that, like trying to show off to your girlfriend or whatever, whoever that is, or you did buy from an auction and you have to go through these steps to clear yourself, or clear your car. It was that simple. If he talks like that to a cop, I guarantee he talked like that to his girlfriend. And that's why she was laughing, because she's probably like, finally, your arrogant little a-hole self is getting what you deserve, because you talk to people crazy. And now you can't talk to a cop like that, because you're going to talk yourself right into jail. Stupid face. Boy, people be making their life hard and stressful for no reason. Especially something like you. Like, you lucky he lucky he didn't go to jail, but he turned around and got his stepdaddy taken to jail. Like, how messed up is that? Sorry, Dad. I'm like, when I get out of jail, I'm whooping your ass, I'm whooping her ass, I'm whooping my ass, everybody's ass. Or somebody getting their ass kicked, I'm going to jail for no reason, and I can't get on my flight? Yeah, you ain't getting this car no more, bro. Slash all the tires and sell it stolen. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the guys. Peace to the earth. Peace and love to everybody out there. Call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Call a friend. Let them know Romy Roman's in the house, in your mouth. Jojo Roman in the house, and I'm in your mouth like, ooh, ooh. I say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Keep thriving and surviving, y'all. Keep your minds right, keep your mind tight, and keep your vibe high.